Hey guys, it's me, the Federal Successor 2022 here, and welcome to the 98th episode of Logo History. First, let's take a look at Sharp, Colorado Avalanche, and Target the Super Gamer Girl. First, let's talk about Sharp. 1912 to 1960, Edward Sharp had red text, and under Edward Sharp has a red stripe. 1960 to the present, we had Edward Sharp had red text. Here's my versions. Alright, let's take a look at Colorado Avalanche. 1972 to 1985. Here is originally has a Colorado Avalanche. Quebec Nordics. They have a white circle and a red outline inside where it's Quebec and Nordic. It's blue text, and between those words there's a shape of a hockey puck, of a red hockey stick, and a blue circle representing a hockey puck. 1985 to 1995, the circle on the words Quebec and Nordics have been removed. 1995, we have a blue triangle. Inside there's a wall. Under the wall there's one Nordics and silver text. Text on a black and white outline. Here's my versions. 1995 to the present, and where they finally changed the names of the Colorado Avalanche. Have dark red letter A, and inside the A there's a sword with a hockey puck. Here's my versions. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, Target the Super Gaming Girl. (2020) 2013 to the present, which is a picture of Mario, Luigi, Yoshi, Princess Peach, Princess Daisy, Princess Rosalie having fun at the beach. Alright guys, so for this episode of Logo History, thanks a lot for the next episode. Stay tuned for episode 99. Sano, the Carolina Hurricanes, and Baltimore Orioles. Bye for now.